In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Nadaraya Watson Envelope in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like, such as a crypto pair, a Forex pair, or a stock chart. Once your chart is open and you can clearly see the candles, we're ready to start. At the top of your TradingView chart, you'll see a toolbar with several options like time frame, indicators, and more. Look for the button labeled Indicators. It usually sits near the middle of the top bar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can search for and add any tool or script to your chart. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search box at the top. Click inside that search box to activate it. This is important because TradingView has a huge library of built-in and community scripts, and the fastest way to find what you need is to search by name. In the search box, type Nadaraya Watson Envelope. Take a moment to make sure you spell it correctly because a small typo can cause it not to show up. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. You should start seeing entries that match or are very close to what you're typing. Once you see Nadaraya Watson Envelope appear in the list of indicators, move your mouse over it and click on it once. As soon as you click, the indicator will be added directly to your chart. You'll notice smooth bands or envelopes wrapping around the price action, which is the visual representation of the Nadaraya Watson Envelope. At this point, you can customize it if you want. To do that, hover your mouse over the indicator name in the upper left of the chart, then click on the settings icon next to it. From there, you can adjust things like the smoothing, length, or colors depending on how you like your chart to look and how responsive you want the envelope to be. Take a moment to tweak these settings until the lines are clear and easy to read against your background. Finally, if you're not yet on TradingView Pro and you want to unlock more features like additional indicators on a single chart and better layouts, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link helps support the channel and gives you access to the full power of TradingView Pro while you work with tools like the Nadaraya Watson Envelope.